Everyone to the fifth and most important part about LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, as we all know, is very important part of our journey. Most of the jobs are getting posted on LinkedIn, and it has become the world's #1 career website. And other than LinkedIn, there are other platforms which I'm going to talk in applying the right way. But LinkedIn is not only about applying your jobs, but creating your profile. So when I talk about creating your profile, I have shared in this community page. It is available for free for everyone. The 20 step 20 checklist to make your LinkedIn profile properly optimized. So if you go here, this particular thing, it's a very simple way that you can have a look at this details. Have a very good professional LinkedIn cover photo. Make sure that the reminder for notification, a very clear headshot, good keyword friendly headline. Creative mode should be on with your 10 popular hashtags that you talk about. Make sure your creator tools are on, wherein you can do more of postings and held webinar and event. Your intro part should be filled correctly. Your website or any link tree that is there should be added in details. Update your featured post. And I will quickly, while I talk, I will also show you guys my LinkedIn, which I have been working since the last 2 years on building a good profile. And you can see this as well. So I have tried to cover all the things that are part of the checklist. And premium is not necessary, but it is better if you can afford premium. Take premium. This gives you much better visibility when you're applying for jobs. And as you can see, this is my profile. It is detailed. It is having the SEO keywords that I mentioned about me, and everything is properly mentioned here. Your experience, what you have done in details, your education. So keep this updated, keep filling it, put proper text, and LinkedIn is very important. And two things that I want to other than talk about, other than the LinkedIn profile optimization, which is the 20 checklist that I've shared here. You can look at it as details. You need to write posts. And when I told you to follow 10 companies in the initial area, when I told about research, identify the top 10 companies, if you remember. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how we can do that. Now, when you are following those companies, look at the people who are in that company. Like example, in being in UAE, the company Talabat, example, is a company that it's an online e-commerce company. As you can see, I have around 20 people 19 connections working here. This is because of my network, but you need to first see what people are posting about. So as you know, it is a great place to post about. The company is posting a lot of things, but we need to go to the people who are active on LinkedIn. So first of all, you need to follow this company. There are around 10,000 associated members, 10,400 associated members. Look at some of the people here. So you may not be able to, who are active on LinkedIn, who are sharing their post on LinkedIn. Like this person, product manager vendor, she is reposted this 2 weeks ago. And you can look at this comment, you can add comments. This is one way of searching for this. The second way of searching for this is just search for Talabat. And when you get this, just search for posts. So you will understand, you will get an idea of people who are posting. Like this person, Rose has posted at Talabat, Jordan. So this person has posted here. So look at the people who are active on Talabat. Like here we have Matt who is active. Comment on their posts. If they are sharing anything, put more ideas about this. Like this person is sharing something about Talabat, as you can see. Write something. I love entrepreneur spirit at Talabat. So this he's one of the person he keeps talking a lot. So you can also write some comment here, and this is going to do two things. It is going to help you help the person whom you are connecting with understand what you are talking about. That is the first part. And the second part is when you are sending him a connection invite. Like suppose I send Tamazo a connection invite. So I am going to not only when I say connect, I am going to add a note. This note is very important. You need to tell that something like I have been following you and I really like your post and I would like to know how tech is being used in Talabat. And then you need to connect. So the chances of him connecting with you is important. And now the importance of connecting is what? The importance of connecting, there are two things that are very important for the recruiter will know that you are connected to someone in the network. And second is that if there is any referral, that person can reach out to you. So these are the things that are important about it. Now, suppose Talabat is Talabat hiring right now. So you can see Talabat is also hiring people. As you can see, there's some of the roles: senior analyst, writer process, specialist, growth, fintech. So some of the openings are here. Ask, but don't apply right now. This particular module talks about how you can use LinkedIn, uh, build your good profile, follow companies, and your target here is not to apply for jobs, but to connect to the right people on LinkedIn for the 10 companies that you have choose, and engage on posts. Write 5 posts about the work that you are doing, the learnings that you are doing, and those people whom you are adding will look at it. So you have to have LinkedIn content strategy in place. There is one detailed course in my academy, and that I really pitch people to do that, is about LinkedIn. This particular thing is about LinkedIn. I will request every one of you to have a look at this particular thing. I will make it available at the community page also, but have a look at this LinkedIn Growth Mastery course. How you can grow on LinkedIn, what are the steps that you need to do in details. So if I show you here, building your online brand, this is for job seekers, online profile for job seekers, how you can build your profile, skills, assessments, and endorsements. This is the second part that is very important in when I talked about this part, adding your skills, get skills endorsed and adding your recommendation, which is very, very important. Add skills, keep top ones. First 50 skills are very, very important. Only 50 skills are there. Add the skills and keep the top ones. Keep refreshing it and get endorsements. So this is very, very important. Initially, when I started my LinkedIn days, I used to get endorsements. I used to request my clients or the people who I work with, and they are happy with my work and services, to give me assessments. As you can see, if my skills, I have here I have 99 plus endorsements. Show all details, 99 plus endorsements, and analytics. So these are some of the assets. Keep doing this work as well. Keep playing around with this leadership as well. These are some of the important skills that you need to endorse, and ask for recommendations from your clients, from anyone that you have worked for, which is very, very important. And what is the importance of these skills in the long run? Like if you go to any job and you are applying for any job, this is in the future. Like suppose you are going data science executive. I want to apply for this job, data science executive in Sharjah. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, there is something called as a skill.
Your next job opportunity could be just a click away. So how
3 skills are on my profile, 7 skills are missing. So ideally, if I'm very serious about this job, I'm going to think about these skills that are there. So this is more of a research type of work, which is not my main domain of work. So I will not, I'm just giving an example. Like I will take this example, data modeler. So this is a data modeler type of work.